Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here in the corner. So gold had another push up. Gold has been in a very, very strong trend. It is very, very obvious, especially on like the 4 hour and daily, that this is a wave 3. This Fibonacci level I have on here is the Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2. We made a bounce right off the 261.8 Fib level. That does to me seem like a very likely place to end the wave 3. It does seem to me like very, very likely that it is going to go down, probably start a bigger wave 4, then eventually go back up for a wave 5. Now, for me, I definitely do not really switch to sells, at least until I have a significant break of structure to the downside. My last swing high was right here, so my last swing low is right there, telling me that if it does go down and break that structure right there, then most likely that would tell me that we are now in a wave 4. Until that happens, definitely be cautious because there's definitely no proof that this trend is over besides the fib bounce. It could possibly make a higher low and just keep on going up. So definitely I would wait for a break of structure to the downside before I would think about sorting it. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.